Hello boys and girls! In today's video I'm going to show you how to easily refill toner cartridges Samsung D101 and D111. The difference between them only in this chip. For example, this D101 is not compatible with my Samsung and 2020 printer, but if I replace this chip with a new D111, then this cartridge will work perfectly with my printer, okay? This chip stores data to identify the toner cartridge, printer statistics, and of course the amount of toner powder in cartridge. Printer determines the amount of toner by using a formula after counting the printed pixels. Finally, this information will be written to the chip. So, if you see the low toner warnings, it doesn't mean that you have to replace the cartridge immediately. We just keep printing until the toner actually runs out, and you will see something like this. But even in that case, you can shake the cartridge to distribute the toner evenly on the magnetic roller, and you're ready to go and print another 100 of pages. By the way, at some point your printer automatically switches into toner saving mode, and there is no way to turn it off until you replace the chip. This is how it looks. Okay, let's get started. For this project you will need a bottle of compatible toner powder and chip which is also compatible with your printer. This toner and chip cost about $10 with free shipping. The link in description. You will also need a flathead screwdriver and maybe super glue. Using a flathead screwdriver, try to open side covers which is held in place by these plastic pins with melted ends. Be very careful with the OPC drum, don't make any scratches on its surface. Okay, now turn the cartridge upside down and gently disassemble. Under this drum is a toner waste unit, so don't turn it upside down until you're ready to clean it. Here's the refill cap. Remove it and you're ready to refill the cartridge. We have the funnel cap here, which is very convenient. Slowly pour the entire bottle into the refill hole. Next, we have to remove the waste toner from the waste unit. On the third or fourth refill cycle, you have to replace the OPC drum. The link for a new drum in description below. Finally, let's put all parts back together. Now let's replace the chip. It's very easy. Oh well, we have a problem here. In my case, side covers fit real tight, but you can apply super glue on these pins if you need. This cartridge is ready to use. New original cartridge costs about half the price of a new printer, so imagine the amount of money you will save.